Let's connect Affise to wecantrack so your conversions track automatically. From the left menu, open Data Sources, then Affiliate Networks. Search for Affise in the list. Open it, then click Create Account. Give your account a name you will recognize later. Affise connects with a postback URL. A postback is a server-to-server message that tells wecantrack the moment a conversion happens. Click Create Postback URL, and wecantrack generates your unique postback URL. Copy it, then in Affise, open Profile, go to Global Postbacks, click Add Postback, and paste it there. Back in wecantrack, your Affise account is now connected and ready to track conversions. That's it, no developer needed. Check our other integration guides.